Hello everybody! Welcome back to another episode from Whalejaw 3D. In this episode, we're going to be discussing my new asset pack available on CG Trader. With this asset pack, there's many free models. We've got the Breezy S15, we've got the Battle Tank animation. If you're a watcher of the channel, you'll remember the Battle Tank animation. You can download this for free. There's even a stock 350Z with some nice wheels. All for free. So click the link below and have at it. Alright, so let's look at one of the models that you can get for free on my CG Trader. This 350Z that I've modified to be a wide body, absolutely crazy 350Z, hood exit exhaust with flames and smoke. Now, this is quite a complicated file, so I've had to make this video to basically explain how to use it. So, what have we got to work with? Shall we turn on the things that we can see? If we look up here, we've got our folder, the 350Z. You've got your body, your wheels, your exhaust flames, and your tire smoke. They're your widgets, you don't need to look at them. But there's going to be two files. One file will be this animation, and the other file will just be the plain car, but with the exhaust flames and the tire smoke turned off. Yeah. To turn them on and off, all you got to do is this. Yeah. And then do it again to bring them back on. Yeah. The files will also be available to download separately if you do struggle with, like, say, texture issues, not finding the files. How does this work? So what we can do is we can open the tire smoke and we can see we've got an emitter wheel, which is turned off. If you look here, can you see it? Just that red bit there. You don't need it on. It's just there to emit the smoke. And then you've got your smoke domain, which you can also turn on and off kind of thing. You've got to obviously cache it first using this. But I've cached it for the sakes of this video to speed it up. So with that in mind, what we can do now is just move around and you can see. Shall we play it? So as you can see, the animation is basically 350Z doing a massive burnout. I mean, like a monumental burnout. I really went to town on this. And if you remember, this is from an episode where I showed you how to make tire smoke, didn't I? And you actually get this asset with this free file. And that's why it's really good, this file. And not only that, you'll get the exhaust flames. Shall we show you how they work? They're basically just like movie clips on a 2D plane arrayed around. I think I showed you how to do this on the other model, which will open up. This is another asset that's imported. You get that with it as well, which is just these things here. Look, 3 different videos just placed out. You can copy and paste them as you want. So, shall we see a demo of this animation once you've rendered it? Bad, right? If I can, I'll try and include it in the download as well, to save you actually having to render it, you know what I mean? So, with that said, if you was to download the model, that was just the model, without these turned on, you can see, well, you've got yourself a rig. This is called a rigger car. It's here, look, the car rig. And what you need to do is you need to press Control and Tab, or you can come up here and go into pose mode. Now, what you can do with this is if you click on the base bone and press move forward or backwards, you can move the car forwards and backwards. It doesn't look like the wheels are turning. What that is our rigger car. We've not got rotate the wheels on the y-axis. This one here, look, you got to always make sure that you got this clicked on. So with that clicked on, if we move forwards and backwards, you can see the wheels rotate, yeah? You've also got your steering here, look. So if you just press move, come over, you got your steering. Obviously, this car is so unbelievably ridiculous, you can't actually turn the wheels very much on it. It has to steer via drift or burnout because you can literally only get like 10 degrees of rotation. But it's supposed to be for animation, like stylized, and it's meant to be fun, yeah. You know what I mean? This is for educational purposes. And you've got your little drift button here, look. Yeah. And if you click this one up here, this one adjusts your body bone as well. So you can basically move it around like so. And that pretty much sums it up. You just use keyframes on all these bones. I'm not going to adjust them because they're obviously all a part of the animation. But if you'd like this model, click the link below and it could be yours. Even if you don't want the model, you can steal my smoke assets for smoky wheels and some exhaust flames. On a side note, if you want to change the colour, it's as simple as coming up here, change the colour. You've got yourself a different coloured car, haven't you? Everything's nice and simple. It's all subdivided, and I've used basic materials. Yeah, go and get it. Go and get it. Just an extra. The number plate. If you go to your materials here, click on the number plate, and then go over to the shader editor. You can see it's just a texture. It's included in your materials pack. Try not to look at it in the mirror. And how about it? If you make anything with it, tag me in it. Show me. Let me have a look. I'd love to see it. You know what I mean? Yeah. You're probably not going to get included, though, the talking mouth with it, because that's mine. Yeah. What we can do is look at another model. So, shall we look at another animation? We've got this, well, I used to call it the battle tank, but technically it's not a tank, is it? It's a car. It's a battle drift car, what I wanted to do. I was making a game where you could shoot each other whilst drifting at the same time, but it never worked out. So, this asset is now available. This asset is quite a big file. So when you come to open it, be patient, because it's quite a big one. I made it quite a while ago, and I got a bit trigger happy. I wanted to see how far I could push my PC and my skills, basically. Came out really well. So once you've got it open, I can come over to our timeline, go back to the beginning, and you can see this here. If we put this on, can you see this? We had this for our exhaust flames, didn't we? It's exactly the same. So if you come over to view your layer, you go to the battle tank car, and we look at gunfire, we can see we've got a machine gun fire. And it's as simple as turning it off, or turning it off on the render if you don't want it to happen. The gun, this is all part of an empty up here, look. So if we find this empty, we go to car, or rather minigun. If we look here, look, minigun, we can see that everything's controlled by that one there. Yeah. So if you want to rotate it on the Y, I believe, yeah, you can rotate it like that, yeah. The car itself works exactly the same with a rigger car rig, same principle. So if we look at a machine gun fire, we can select the keyframe that it's on. And there you go, look, you can see the gunfire. It's glowing up. You've got all your lights, you've got these lights. There's a lot of lights in this scene. Like I say, it's a very heavy scene. But, as you can see, it's all 3D. If you want, you can download this and experiment, and you can make something like this. So, don't sleep. Come check out my models. There's a nice little Fiesta if you want it. There's a tire box if you want to, if you're into 3D printing. You've got yourself this like cool Mario Kart Time Attack kind of edition thing. It's pretty cool. It's one of the first models I ever made, this was. It's rigged, ready for animation. Come get it. Obviously, all I ask is for you to show some support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. If you're feeling really generous, you could buy one of my flagship characters, Whalejaw characters. For a small fee, there's a £5 one and a £10 one. And if you're into 3D printing, I've even got some cool Whalejaw things. Subscribe to this channel. If you've watched this channel before, you'll remember the video with Whalejaw. This is the original Whalejaw. Now, if you subscribe to this channel, you'll know when I actually list this model, the 3D model that you can animate and it's rigged and all that kind of thing. I will be releasing it eventually. I've just got to obviously tidy it up, get it ready. It takes an hour or two, you know what I mean? Yeah, you could 3D print this. I'm 3D printing it myself right now. Yeah, I'm very proud of this one. I really like this model. I'd like to do some more characters now. This is why I'm uploading my cars, because they just sat on my hard drive doing nothing, realistically. And it's like, people like you could be enjoying them. So, go and check out my CG Trader page. The link's below. Thank you for your support so far. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.